So, now see a color code for carbon resistors. You know here the carbon resistor actually are the resistors which can have any value. So, basically the resistors of higher values are made of carbon, because you know carbon also these carbon is compact and also inexpensive here. Now, so this carbon resistors has got coaxial rings, and these rings are provided here different colors, and every color has got some significance or some numerical value or plays some role in calculating the resistance. So, let us see what are the possible colors for the rings. Now, these are given in the table. So, see here the different colors are given here like a black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white, gold, silver and no color. So, now we can also learn here by the simple formula. For the black we give here the B, brown B, red for red this is R, for orange O, and for yellow that is Y, for green that is G, and again for B is for blue, and violet V for violet, and G for grey, W for white, and G for gold, S for silver. We can also see here, make it here like this: B.B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife, wearing gold and silver necklace. So, all these values or the numbers for the given colors has to be basically, remember, for the black it is the 0, brown 1 and red 2 and orange 3, yellow 4 and green 5, blue 6, violet 7, grey 8 and white 9. There is no number for the gold, silver and no color. There are certain multipliers are taken. For the black 10 raised to power 0, for brown 10 raised to power 1, for red 10 raised to power 2, for orange 10 raised to power 3 and for yellow 10 raised to power 4. And for green that is 10 raised to power 5, for blue 10 raised to power 6 and for violet 10 raised to power 7, for grey 10 raised to power 8, for white 10 raised to power 9, for gold 10 raised to power -1, for silver 10 raised to power -2. There is tolerance for the gold and silver no color, that is 5%, 10% and 20%. So, now let us see how do we calculate value of the carbon resistors. Carbon resistors are actually like this. I am making it, this is the bigger diagram, but actually they are very small in size here. There is a material here, the carbon or other material is used for making the resistors. Basically carbon is here. Now, here the rings are provided are of different colors. Suppose there are the 3 colors here and the 4th one is here. Now, this one is suppose red, first ring, second one is here suppose blue, and third one is suppose here white, and this one is suppose here gold. So, how do we calculate its resistance? So, now you can see the value for the different colors in the table. Now, for the red, blue, gold and white. So, first two colors we write their numbers. For the red it was here for the red it was here 2. So, we can write here, for the red we can write here 2, and for the blue it is 6. So, we can write here 6. Third color is white, for that we do not write the number, for the third color we write multiplier. So, the multiplier for the white color is 9. So, we can write 26 into 10 raised to power 9. So, now see here, so we have written the value numbers for the first two colors, for the red is 2 and for the blue is 6, and then the third color is representing here the multiplier, and then the fourth color is representing actually tolerance. So, we can write here plus minus, sorry, this is here the ohm, and plus minus tolerance for the gold is here 5%. So, the tolerance actually shows here this value can be used within the range of the 5% more or the 5% less. So, just by seeing the carbon resistors and their rings of the different colors, we can calculate its value. So, in electronic circuit actually these resistances are widely used. So, we need to calculate their values. So, for that this is the method, and also you may get the question like this. Suppose if this is given here like this values and you have to guess the color code for the carbon resistor. So, that type of the things also can be done, but here basically you must remember the values or the numbers for the different colors and then the multipliers for the different colors and also the tolerance for the different colors.